Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to send money from Neteller to Binance. First, open your Neteller account and make sure you are logged in. If your funds are currently in cryptocurrency, go to your crypto portfolio. Here, select the cryptocurrency you want to use. Now click on Sell. Choose the fiat currency you want to convert it into, such as British pounds, euros, or US dollars. Enter the amount you want to convert and complete the sale. Once the funds are available in your Neteller balance, click on Withdraw. If you want to send the money to your bank account, select Bank Account as the withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the details, and confirm the transaction. If you want to transfer funds to Binance using cryptocurrency, go to Binance and copy your deposit address for the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Now return to Neteller, click Withdraw and then select Crypto Wallet. Enter the amount you want to send. Paste your Binance crypto deposit address into the wallet address field. Carefully review the address, network, and amount before continuing. Once everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. After the transaction is processed and confirmed on the blockchain, the cryptocurrency will appear in your Binance account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.